Hello everyone, Cllr Albert Dolan here from Galway and Fianna Fáil. This weekend I will be at the National Youth Conference of Fianna Fáil. I'll be chairing a discussion with a fantastic panel. I have Minister Darragh O'Brien, the Minister for Housing, Heritage and Local Government. I have Mike Mansfield from Jigsaw, and also author Stefanie Preissner. It's set to be a fantastic discussion, and the topic of this discussion is Reimagining Ireland Post COVID-19 and what that might mean for us. Now is the time for young people in Ogra and young people in the country to start having the conversation about what our country could look like after this. Things we've noticed that have become really important is, our local amenities, green spaces, and just our own communities within our 5K. It's become so important to us all. This is set to be a really great discussion. If you're following it online, please use the hashtag NYC21. Thank you.